great day. So today I'm off to get my car serviced, and then next to that there's a Home Depot, so I'm going to check that out and I'm going to make a video for you guys so you guys can see what they have. So yeah guys, so I will get back to you guys when I get there. Bye guys. I never get to come through Home Depot because it's really far. This is where I had to come get my car serviced because it's where I purchased it. Next to this Home Depot, so that's one here. Just wanted to show you guys these planters. These are $18. Heavy duty cement there. They have lots of pretty looking plants here. I really love the way this banana plant looks. I might get that one. I have been holding off to see if I can get a string of pearls, but I might get that one. Look at this. That is so cute. That is cute. Let's see. It's $16. Dude, the sun is blazing right now. It's so hot. It's early too in the morning and it's hot already. So these are $2.98. These are, let me say, probably $2.98 also. And look at these. Look at those blue chalk sticks. It's so pretty. These are, I believe, like, if I round it off, it's not, yeah, $4.50. It's good. Look at this one. What is that? That's pretty. This is a Grefferia Bella. Oh, so cute on Humble. Okay. Maybe. Yep. Oh man, this one even has really nice stuff. These are, I think, the chocolate ones. What's it called? Yeah, Calicoy European, and I believe it's the chocolate one. Okay, let me go to the other side. Look at their setup. So pretty. Look at that setup. Oh my gosh. That's a good setup. It is driving. Very nice. Wow. Look at how big these are. Look, oh look, I can know the name of the one that I have at home. This is the Cidaria Sorrento. Now I know that the ones that I have in my box is that. And then this is the California Sunset. These are the same. No, okay, so these are the California Sunset. There it is. And then this is the Alpenglow Higgins. That's good. What is that over there? What is this? Let's see. These are $6. No, $7. This is super burritos tail. I think I have that. I think I have like one or two. Not a big thing, just like 2 pieces. And then they have these beautiful arrangements. Let me see how much they are. $15. That is a steal. And it's really nice, and it's packed. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different plants. Oh my gosh! And this one is so pretty, and it's flowering. Look at that. That one's pretty. Oh, I really like that one. I really like it. I gotta practice self-control, guys. Self-control. I don't know if there's more plants around here. Let me come over here. Oh, yep, here's some more. Here's where you find the really inexpensive ones. $2.98. It's Rare Elegance. And then the Debbie and Topsy Turvy. And then the one that just got for my aunt. Let's see if it has the same name as last time. Yeah, it says Echeverria Rosea. So that's that. And then this is the Moneymaker jade. Yeah, this is like the one I have at home.
Maybe we gotta go inside and get something to hold them.
Look at these. These are nice. It's a little kit for $17. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 plants for $17. And then there's more over here. Oh wow. Look at these here. Here's another one of those flowering. So pretty. It was so hard to record over there, guys, because the sun is just so strong. Oh, this is a cute one. I don't have one that looks like this. Very nice. But I believe, yeah, this is $5. Which I think is worth it because it's already potted in a pretty pot and you don't have to repot it. Those are nice. Something like this, I want to see, it's going to be like $25, close to $30. Let's see. I wish I could see. They don't put the price. Hold on. Oh. It's $20, guys. Can you? They put the price at the bottom. Like, who's gonna pick it up and look at it? So $20. That's good. That's nice because it's a really nice pot. I like this one. It's really nice. I like all of them. Let's see what else here. Uh-oh. I see something. What is this? This is not gonna have a name. Doesn't have a name because it's in Miami. That's not Miami. You start naming your plants. Oh look, this is a variegated, I think it's a variegated jade. Let's see. No name, so I can't tell you, but I believe it's a variegated jade. Oh, look at these cuties. That's cute. So these, I'm not even going to bother to pick them up because I know they don't have any names. They're all Miami. That's pretty.
You know, work with somebody or write.
Look at all these little ones here. So these are $5 and then these are $3. Let me go over there. Look at this. It's a dark. Well, you can't see it there, but to me it looks like a grayish purple. This is Echeverria truffle. It's $5, right? Probably. Nope, $3.98, $4. Look at these. It's really cute. These little. Oh, they're so light. $9. The wood doesn't. It's wood. Doesn't weigh anything. I thought it was gonna be heavy. This one, look, came apart. No good. Oh, yeah. Banana plant. See how different things look? See, this is what I was telling you guys. See? This is banana, and this is, many people call it fish hook, because it looks like a hook. But it's string of bananas and string of bananas. But they're not the same, they're different. But yeah. Oh my gosh, guys. I think I see something that I want. Oh gosh, this is gonna jump over. What? Do you see that? What is this? Dogtail cactus. I love it. I like like it a lot. How cool is that cactus? This is beautiful, guys. I really like it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, I think I'm getting this. This is my winner right here. These are normally 5 for $10. Yep, see? 5 for 10. Guys, I'm in love with this cactus. I love it. Oh, I don't even want to repot it. I'm going to see if I can paint the pot and then figure a way to hang it. I don't know, but I like it. Okay. So this is my friend. I'm taking this. Okay guys, so that's it. That's all the plants I see, all the succulent plants I see. I'm gonna let you guys go. Guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day.